Hi guys, this is the 32nd episode of the Ashman Traveler. I'm your host Hitchman. In this episode, I'm going to go again out station to Hyderabad. Hi guys, I have finished my security and I'm waiting for my flight. I just had a Starbucks, a cold chocolate that was okay. So I was like, this is the same international gate I was like a few months back when I went to Bangkok. So now it's converted into a domestic. See, this trip to Hyderabad is actually a 36-hour trip. So I mean, like I started at 7:45. So I mean, like I will come back to Bangalore at the same time on Sunday evening. Yeah, hi guys. I have reached Rajiv Gandhi International Airport here in Hyderabad, and I'm on my way to the baggage belt to get my baggage. Well, surprise here is I just approached this baggage belt only to find out that my baggage is not even here coming into this belt. Hi guys, I am on my way to the bus stand to catch the bus to Secunderabad. But actually I have to catch an auto which I'm going now here to from the stop to the wedding hall. Hi guys, I have reached the wedding hall and I'm here in Secunderabad to attend my cousin's wedding. So now I'm just relaxed for a while, and then after this I'm going to go to Hussein Sagar and just have a glimpse of that lake. This is the iconic Hussein Sagar Lake, which is a 460-year-old lake here in the heart of Secunderabad and Hyderabad. This lake was built by Ibrahim Kuli Qutub Shah in 1563, and it's spread across an area of 5.7 square kilometers, and it's fed by the river Musi. And this lake was named after Hussein Shah Wali, who was the master of architecture in the kingdom, which refers to the Golconda Sultanate.
On the bright side. 3, 2, 1, everyone! क्या बात है लेकिन सही बोलूं मैं जोर से बोलना है सभी को 10 8 6 4 2 and 1 here we go the beautiful entry come on everybody make some noise
Hello guys, it's 6 in the morning, so it's the wedding day. So I just woken up, and the weather in Hyderabad is kind of cold on a morning. The time is 6:02.
जय श्री राम
उषसामे वर्षामेति
अग्रे
आयन्ने
प्रचन्द्रमाः
चन्द्रमाः
किरति
किरति
दीर्घमायुः
दीर्घमायुः
रोचनः
रोचनः
रोचि
காசி யாத்திரைக்கு
செல்ல வேண்டாம் குமாரத்தி சௌபாகியவதி தங்களுக்கு கும்பலக்னத்தில் கன்யகா பிரதானம் செய்து தருகிறேன் தாங்கள் உத்வாக மண்டபம் வந்திருந்து பாணி கிரகணம் செய்து கொண்டு ஸ்ரேயஸாக இருக்க தக்கது ரெண்டு கையில வாங்கிக்கோங்க
So hi guys, I just finished eating lunch, and then after that I'm on my way to the bus stand where I have to go catch the airport bus. But when I approached this bus stop, which is known as the Ratifail bus stop, there was no airport bus coming, so I decided to book a cab, and I'm on my way to the airport in the cab, as you can see in this footage. And once I got into the airport, I just checked in all that. I just felt a little hungry, so I had this Belpuri in Bikaner Wala there. So I have to say bye to Hyderabad for now. I didn't have much time to visit the city, but maybe next time I'm going to visit the city and I'm going to just explore a lot of places. And moreover, I want to work on a new documentary regarding the city. Until then, it's bye for Hyderabad and on way to Bangalore. So this is where the immigration counters used to be. Even the international services was operating in Terminal 1. So I wonder how Terminal 2 is going to be. Hi guys. reached Bangalore after 36 hours. I enjoyed the trip in Hyderabad, met all my relations, and the marriage was an excellent function that I got to see. And moreover, this experience of going to Terminal 1 again, this time as a domestic version, really it has changed a lot. And Terminal 1 was a terminal which had both domestic and international flights operation for 15 years until they changed it in September of 2023. So now it's all full domestic and everything has changed. I hope you like this episode. Please do like, share, subscribe the Hashtag Traveler. I'm extremely surprised that I have reached Terminal 2 to catch the airport bus, because when I landed in Terminal 1, they provided a free shuttle bus to go to Terminal 2 to catch this airport bus which goes to the city. So next time when you're coming to through Terminal 1, you'll get a free shuttle which will take you to Terminal 2 to catch the buses.